Little brother's here. Come in. Are you ready to be a challenge?
Aye.
Right then, Craig. He's feeling shedding as much weight as he can. 120.9.
Oh.
How do you feel about that, Craig?
Oh, yes.
Oh, yes.
Done well. That's what I wanted.
How do you feel about that,
Happy
Sam?
with that. I'm happy with that. Yeah.
All weighed in.
All weighed in.
All weighed in, confident. Having a bit of porridge now before we start.
Covered up now.
Get some energy.
bit late.
I mean, it's only an extra 170 calories, so.
Do you think that's a wise choice, considering all the amount of food you got to eat in a bit?
Probably not. But we all know how much I can eat, Craig.
Yeah.
What about you, Sam?
Yeah. Probably not a good idea for me.
Why are you not eating, Craig?
I've already had my breakfast before the weigh-in.
What did you have?
Just some Weetabix.
No Weetabix? With sugar or what?
No, just with normal.
On its own?
Yeah.
Oh dear.
Mark it, Craig.
It's not a heavy weight for me, really, to squat, so.
What, 120?
Yeah. So.
Yeah, I'm feeling confident with
What's
that.
wrong with max now, Craig?
I think I could get 250.
Good.
Let's get you in the picture, Craig. I'm tempted to deprive the viewers of a Craig Cannon. So 120 easy, is it, Craig?
Yeah.
What, 100 times?
I think so, yeah. I think I'll be able to do
I've
it.
done the maths. What's the total? What's that give you as a total?
What do you mean?
120 times 10. So it's 1,200
Over a
per
10.
set.
Over a 10.
Times 10 again. Excuse my maths. 12,000? 12,000?
Yeah.
12,000 kilos in total.
Yeah.
12 ton. Not too bad then, Craig. Not a bad day's work.
Yeah. Add on to that your 4,500 calories from your nuggets, and it'll be a successful day of walking.
Yeah.
Right, it'll be quite a while on these. Okay.
So can I have 100 chicken nuggets, please?
Right, bear me a second. Just have that.
Just it. He's had to warn him.
Yeah.
400 total.
So 520. I'm just gonna Yeah, that's brilliant. So I'm gonna give you your receipts as well, okay?
What are you having, Sam?
Well, I reckon I might go for 100 chicken nuggets.
And any sauce? Chicken nuggets, please. Again, yeah.
As you do.
Yeah, that'll do for that.
Is that everything? What are you going to say?
Chicken nuggets.
Two on fries. Got to authorise the 50s.
Oh.
Only deal in 50s.
What's this? Let's take more in. £50 note.
Same again, yeah? With ketchup as well?
What's that? Craig? You can't say the same. Oh, you have barbecue sauce here? Not with a mixture.
Did you want ketchup and barbecue?
No, just barbecue.
No, just barbecue.
I'm having them take away, by the way.
$22.91.
What's he having? 100 chick. What did he order? 100 chicken nuggets. Yeah. Yeah. This chocolate. This chocolate.
If you want to take a seat, guys, we'll bring them over. Okay?
Yeah, but We're taking them away, so can we have them all bagged up?
It'll be quite a while on those.
Yeah, how long
okay, I don't know. To be honest, we've never cooked before.
So just do a bag of ketchup and then...
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Abigail. Do you reckon?
There's some nuggets. That's some nuggets, isn't it? No? Salt they put in them. No. Next one on the tray over there, look. Another bag down. Cheese getting hungry as well. You okay? You got a bit of a cough?
Yeah, so a bit ill today.
Right then, let's go. Eat what, you're going to do as many as you can?
Yeah.
Go on then.
How's that, Craig?
20.
Nice.
5 more then.
Sauces, here.
Weight on. That's it. Oh, that's got to.
How many's that?
6.
Come on! Get the power going. Come on. Good.
Delay on that. It's about a minute delay on that. Probably should be live before them come back in. Yeah. Better Andy.
Keep going. How many is that?
7.
Come on, get 10. I'm struggling on these nuggets. I'll have to switch it from ketchup. How many is that?
12.
Oh, come on, boy. Get 15. I'll put you on 50 done. Come on. 2 more. Good.
Wait, Craig.
50 more. ITV News has come to do a bit of filming.
Can't be cheeky on this.
What do you reckon, Joe?
I'm not impressed yet, trying to eat the nuggets.
They'll be eating, don't you?
Okay.
Well, Sam.
Right.
Who's that all there then? You don't recognise that? That's it. Pain and Gain vinyl there, look. Courtesy of Beam Vinyls.
Squats out of the way then. Spend the rest of the day eating these.
These are hard work, these are. I don't think I could do this many without squatting. Back's killing me now. Shit form. enjoying that.
Hot. Shit on the wall.
Hey? I said, I can't even talk, mate. Where you going? Will? Where you off?
Heart attack.
At least you got a nice hat on.
Yeah.
What's it say, Jordan?
Genuine, mate.
Hang on, look at me a minute. Look at me, Jordan. Jordan. What's it say, Jordan there? Hang on, let's just have a look at the bottom of it as well. In case he forgets his name twice. Where is it? Can you see it, Craig?
What's that?
On William's hat. Jordan on the bottom as well. Look. Right, Craig.
Yeah.
How you feeling?
Not bad at the minute.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How many you done?
35 squats.
And
20 nuggets at the minute.
oh, not bad, not bad.
Start my next nuggets.
Is he just going to stare at that bar until it squats itself, or what? Where's his bucket? Has he got his bucket? Ain't you be sick in my gym? Come on then. How many are you going for? No. He's falling over. This is after pinching him. Look. Right, hungry.
Or bleachy.
Best way, Will, get it out, mate.
What fucking done?
What is that? You might get on with them nuggets when you left them.
Can't get it all down.
No, I don't got them.
I'm doing the entire thing on 34.
Come on, Craig.
2 more.
2 more, come on. 1 more. Come on. 100. Boy. How do you feel?
Knackered.
You ready to eat? How many more nuggets you got?
40 odd nuggets. Yeah.
Nearly there. Good boy. Come on. How many more?
2.
2 more, come on. Push. Good. 1 more, come on. Good boy. How do you feel?
Fucked.
Oh, how many nuggets you got there?
About fucking 50.
How was that for spectator sport? Would you pay to come next time?
Yeah.
Oh, you would.
You ever get entropy, have you? Box of nuggets.
He's still eating nuggets, look at him. How can you still be eating them? I need a rest.
19 left.
What, is that your last box?
Yeah.
Oh God, I've got this box, 1 more left. The final box of nuggets. Only final box, Craig. What on earth's in here? Any more nuggets? What are you doing in there? Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh, what are you doing? Got some chicken nuggets. Tactic, Craig. What are you doing?
Soon go down.
How many nuggets you got there?
2 nuggets.
2 nuggets. Is this harder than the 10,000 calorie challenge, what you did?
Yeah, hard.
A lot of pain,
Oh.
pain in your hands, pain in your elbows,
It's nearly
pain in your
4,000
shoulders.
calories of just meat, isn't
So
it?
you gotta bear the
Getting
pain.
meat and fat.
Just
Pretty
bite
much.
your teeth and hold
What we
on
got on
as
the
long as
telly?
you can.
it starts bad and it gets worse. You know.
Exactly.
Yeah. So how,
Winners so far, and tonight you could be
There it
one.
is,
To check if
sports
you're a
fans.
winner, visit the Health Lottery website and click the results
My
page where tonight's
100th
numbers will be
nugget.
listed. Alternatively, visit your local Health Lottery retailer. Check in tomorrow's Daily Express or Daily Star.
I hate nuggets.
From Facebook and Twitter.
Right then, final nugget, Craig.
Yeah.
Nugget 100. Are you going to get one yours?
Oh, going flying.
Are you?
Yeah.
Shall we fist bump the nuggets?
Well,
Cheers.
cheers.
Nice and cold.
Yeah, more cold. Bit chewy.
Chewy. I'm never eating chicken nuggets ever again. Vile. There's some chewy in there.
Do. Oh, I'll swallow.
So we're both eating 5 of these boxes. Took us a bit longer than before, but
Yeah.
when we set ourselves a challenge, so we did it.
Okay.
Not like the other pair.
Oh, dear me.
Done?
Yep, all good. Well done.
I'm hungry.